up in the flesh. Here comes the goody squad. You should shut up, Heather. Sorry, Heather. Look who's with her. Oh my God. Dang, dang, diggity, dang, 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 diggity, dang, dang. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna be doing some cupcakes for Halloween, pretty much. But Halloween is not here, so we're just gonna do that just for us to eat. So yeah, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm not hungry at all. I'm not hungry. That's amazing stuff. That's amazing. That's just, I just want to have the sprinkles of and my mom just bought this for food because we're doing some pumpkin soup. I tried it in Thanksgiving in the school. The video's on. Oh. Hi guys. So today we're gonna be doing the cake. What? So today we're going to be doing some cake. We're going to be putting it in this bowl. So we're going to be making some Halloween cakes. So first what we're going to be needing is your your powder for your cake. And let's read the directions. So we need 1 cup of water. I don't know what it says in English. 1/2 2. 1/2
I don't know.
Oil.
3
whole eggs. We already got that. And then set oven to 350 Fahrenheit.
That's a lot.
I don't know. Bottom of pan with no sticking cooking spray or shortening. And flour. Here we have the ingredients. So what you're going to be needing is 3 eggs, 1 cup of water, and we're going to be using some avocado oil. Because that's more healthier. It's right there. We need. Okay. So now we're gonna be
what do we need this for?
Just
why?
Just that.
What is that?
So we're gonna be using this, and now we're gonna be dumping it.
All of it?
All of it.
Yay! Now I feel like it's snow. I just want to have the sprinkles. It looks like snow.
So next,
Can I just have the sprinkles?
what do we add next? Whatever. Add the water
No!
next.
It's just...
Los 3 huevitos.
I'm gonna put one. I don't know how to do it. This is a video.
So you just crack it.
Tienen las manos limpias, ¿no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, this is crazy. Oh no. I don't care. Okay.
Okay, so next what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting the oil in. Now, where's the whiskey?
Okay, can we just mix now?
We're both gonna mix together. Let me mix.
No, both of us. You literally said
Wait.
both of us.
You're so bossy sometimes. Excuse me.
Excuse.
No, I'm just trying to crack all the eggs.
Oh yeah, you do that. I don't know how to cook eggs. I don't cook. I used to cook when I was little with my big cousin. But I don't live in my old house, and now I can't cook.
¿Y qué cocinabas?
What did you cook?
Helado.
Helado.
Hice helado y cake y cupcakes y helado, healthy helado.
Healthy helado.
Bella, can I use the
Con
bamboo?
frutas. Con frutas.
For a second, can I get off for a second?
No. Can I mix now?
Wait, hold on. Bellissimo. Super bellissimo.
And nobody's holding on.
When somebody's holding on. Okay, now you can do this.
Okay. Now I'll be in now.
Pero más poquito, Dana.
Wanna take some out?
No, ahora la quitamos. Pero...
I want to put some. Are you gonna be the only one?
Ahora con una servilleta lo esparces.
Solo ella va a colocar muffin.
Bella, you did almost all
Then I remember nobody's holding on.
So now we're gonna let it kind of dry, and then we're gonna put that on. See you later.
Okay. Okay, I don't need your help, lady. What do you think? Am I 6 years old or 5?
Probably.
I mean, why gotta have my bathing suit on right we don't need so much because then it inflates really big. I don't care. So do you do the
Estaban llenando, pues.
Dana. Here's the spoon. Okay, so
No, you do this one.
yeah. Ready, lady.
Right.
A few moments later.
So right now we just took them out.
So now we're gonna decorate.
No.
Luna.
Excuse me.
Luna, por favor. ¿Cuál es ese?
Estos tres le dan estos tres son los.
Actually, looks kind of cute.
This way. I know what I'm gonna make. I got 2 pumpkins. Oh my god, Luna. Really? Really? She's a really bad girl.
I want to eat one right now. Can I eat one?
I'm really. But I don't. No. And then no. I'll take. Oh yeah, that's in the back side. Pumpkin.
Muestra.
Check it.
Uy.
Let's dance. Dance. Come on, Luna. Good girl. You got one. Ow. You got one trick for that. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Luna. Sit. No, I tell you to turn. Sit. Down. Hand. Good girl. The other way. No. The other way. Good girl.
Dile que haga rollover.
Roll over. No. I'll give you a treat.
Ahora dile que diga por favor.
Say please. Por favor. Por favor. Por favor. Good girl. Say papa. Papa.
Sí.
Papa.
Papá, sí.
Okay. Like the position. Down. Down. Roll over. That's it.
Muy bien. No pudo.